good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a POV drive on my 335, just to give you guys a little bit of update as to what the interior feels like with the new tints as well as the ambient lighting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this one. But before I take this drive, I just want to let you guys know that my clutch is slipping right now, so I most likely won't be able to do like wide open throttle pulls, but I'll still try and get some pulls in for you guys. So right now I'm just gonna let it warm up, but let me show you guys what the interior ambient lights is looking like right now. So with the app, you can set it to like an individual color. As you guys can see, I'm rocking the blue ambient lights right now. So yeah, sick. Alright you guys, so we got the car outside. The tint on the sides is 5 and the windshield is 20. It's a nano ceramic Expo tint. As you guys can see, it's not too bad in traffic, but after this light I'll go ahead and pick back up the camera for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like driving on the road. This is with the windows slightly cracked. I can put up the windows for you guys. This is what it looks like with the windows completely up. Visibility is not too bad. Look, if I crack this one back, look, that's what the outside looks like. Window, windshield, and as you guys can see, my ambient lighting kit is super bright. If you guys want the link to the ambient little self plug, it's available on my website. So yeah, and now the light is green. So let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna let these ladies cross. Pedestrians always get the right of way. Take off. Car's feeling nice. Gotta get used to this GoPro on my head though, but car's feeling real nice. It's a decent amount of traffic out today though. My main goal right now is just to find somewhere to park up so I can get some pictures of like what the windshield tint looks like. Because if you guys follow me on TikTok, you know last week I was in New York all week, so didn't really get a chance to do it. If you guys can see my rear view mirror, my girl is behind me. I'm just chilling right now because the car is not warmed up, but she's driving like she's trying to cut up. So by me. Oh, she's taking rollers with my car actually. So but right now I'm just chilling, trying to get some content for you guys, you know the vibes. But last time I beat on this car before it was warmed up, I lost cylinder 6, so I'm not planning on doing that right now. As you guys can see, that's my girl's F30, and if you guys look on the left, wow, there's a really nice Miami blue Porsche Macan. Sick color. So yeah, we were just chilling with the GoPro on, vibing. But honestly, these tints aren't that bad at all. During the day at least, it's like driving a normal car. So yeah, for those of you guys wondering, it's literally like driving a normal car. But I'm just gonna chill, cruise, 4th, 5th gear, just chill out until my car gets completely warm. So yeah, you guys can enjoy me cruising. Got my girl over there. Our F30 sounding crazy. You guys hear those burbles? Still not where I want to be at temperature wise, so not really gonna do too many crazy downshifts. I'm probably just gonna neutral bomb it. But yeah, look at the blue F30, looking sick. They're sticking rollers. Neutral bomb it, just chill out. So I'm gonna turn off the GoPro right now, and I will pick back up the camera when my car is up to temperature. I knew it didn't feel right to send it over there, Brian. Look, a bus is broken down in the right lane. But I'm just chilling right now, guys. My car's up to temp, but I'm still just cruising. Because we came down this way, and a little bit up ahead, more on the right, there's a cop. So I'm gonna just take it easy, because I have some black ass hot boy ass tints. I mean, all my paperwork and everything is good, so shouldn't really have anything to worry about. But still, just want to be careful. I might actually drop the windows a little bit more. I know the windshield is black, but at least try to make it as light as possible. Oh, pothole. Thank God I'm not lowered, or that would have been RIP my front lip. Yeah, I definitely need to lower this car, but one thing that's good about not being lowered is kind of really don't have to drive it carefully. I still do drive it carefully, but I don't really have to. Is everybody stopping? Alright, I guess everybody just wants to eat this light. I feel like you drive a little safer when you got a GoPro on your head. You never want to record yourself crash. Look at this stick thing, bro. Me and my girl are about to pull up to this park that we have near us and get some like rollers and stuff of our cars driving by. They put the windows up so you guys can hear me talk a little bit better, but I know my fitment isn't the greatest, but I do have BCs on the way, so they finally shipped out this week, so be prepared for that in the future. I'm definitely going to be getting the fitment on this car right, but yeah, we're still gonna get some rollers and stuff just to like see what the tints look like and stuff. I might try and get some good angles, you know, like do some catfish work, but yeah, anything for the content. As you guys can see though, the ambient lighting, even with the windows down, the ambient lighting looks super bright. That's why I love the kit. I might go ahead and switch it to a different color or something on the way back, but I really fuck with this dark blue. It's one of my favorites. The 17T sound crazy. All you hear is turbo spool all the time. It's intoxicating. Little third gear roll on, that shit balls. Still without a custom tune, by the way. This is just MHD Stage 2 Plus. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pull over here and get some rollers. So let me cut the camera. Alright you guys, so we pulled up to the photo shoot location. We're gonna try and get some shots of the cars, but as you guys can see, it's like a cloudy day. Look at how dark these tints are, you guys. Oh my god, bro, black as hell. 20% on the windshield with 5 all around is definitely the way to go, guys. The car looks amazing. You can't see anything in any angle. That's why I dropped him when I drove past the cop I was sitting over there, just because I don't want to have to to deal with getting a ticket or pulled over or anything like that. So if you guys do have dark tints and you guys want to avoid getting tickets, a smart thing to do is whenever you guys see a cop sitting, just lower your windows as you drive past them, just so they can see you. Because the biggest thing for cops is they just want to see you. So as long as you like make the effort so they can see you, should be fine. I'm in Florida, so they're a little bit more lenient, but that trick works up north as well for you guys in like Jersey, New York and shit. Feel the back end getting a little swirly. Gotta get a LSD for this. I hear the vents for something, but I'm not sure what, because my AC is broken, so I might have to look into that. It's a little concerning. Sheesh, a little rough patch on the ground. But yeah, that was a fun little photo shoot, guys. There's some crazy dude in a pickup truck trying to act like he owns a park, some male Karen, but I didn't get it on camera. If I did, that should have been mad entertaining for you guys. But yeah, what can you do? Some people try to act like they want to own everything, but yeah, it is what it is. Alright, you guys, so unfortunately it looks like it's started to rain right now, so we're gonna head back towards the house. So might get a couple more clips in for you guys, but this is gonna start the wrap up of this POV drive for you guys. But yeah, this car still rips though, even without a custom tune or anything like that. Just literally slapping in 17Ts with MHD stage 2 plus, this car rips, and has been bulletproof for like the past couple, like 10,000 miles or so. So yeah, I have to slam on the brakes, everybody stopped, but damn, this car still does move. I love how little this car is. It literally fits every single gap, as you guys just saw. Throw that bitch into second real quick. Trying to be safe. Neutral bomb this because it doesn't seem like traffic is gonna go anywhere, and my judgment is correct. Drop it into second. There's my girl, got back up with me.